We're going to have a few things we're going to look at today. What does death do to an individual who has a partnership interest, who has an LLP interest? What happens to that on death? What part of that share can be gifted to somebody, and what are the options available while somebody is still alive, and also once they've passed away. Crucially for the beneficiaries, they're going to be concerned about what sums are due to the estate, and maybe more for the executors, they're going to be worried about the estate's liability for business losses. Where does that begin? Where does that end? And at what point does the executor have some certainty? There is a little bit of a sting in the tail because obviously the partners are carrying on doing things and they are sorting all this out, they are producing the accounts. This could be really quite a lot of work they're having to do and to ascertain all this information that the personal representative is pushing for. So the remaining partners have the ability to make a claim for managing the business during this period, however long it takes. And obviously that's going to then reduce the sums payable to the estate, because the estate's not doing the work, it's the surviving partner or partners. Potentially, if we have a buy and sell agreement and the business relief is lost, there might be a claim for negligence against whoever drew that up, and to not draw the everyone's attention to the fact that this very valuable tax relief is then irrecoverably lost. Finally, our last potential option is a cross option. And on the death of a partner or member, their estate has the option to sell if they choose to, and the partnership LLP has an option to buy, again, if they choose to. So sort of a much more flexible arrangement that might suit both parties.